In this video, I would like to show you how to flip translations on ProZ and on Fiverr. So the first thing that you gotta do is you gotta find out whether there is someone, whether on Fiverr or in Upwork, who will do translations for you for a very low amount of money. Let's say, for instance, 2 or 3 cents per word. Now, it of course depends who you're hiring, whether you're hiring someone from the Western world or from other parts of the world. And probably what you're gonna find out soon is this: a lot of people from other parts of the world, let's say Southeast Asia or perhaps Eastern Europe, will charge a very low amount of money for certain translation services, but there are platforms like ProZ where you can earn a lot of money with translation services. So what you can do here on this platform is very simple. You click right here on find work, and then you can find lots and lots and different kinds of jobs in the translation niche. For instance, this right here is a job English to German, 4,000 words. If, for instance, let's say you charge 5 cents per word, then this would be $200. If you charge, in this case, let's say 5 cents per word, this would be $250. This would be $425, and so on and so on. So what you want to do is you just want to go to this platform right here and you want to apply to these jobs. As you can see, these are jobs that came in, let's say 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 16 hours ago, and so on and so on. And all of these are jobs for translations. So for instance, this one right here is an 80,000 word job. This could be a lot of money to you. This one would be a 2,000 word job. Then down here, this is 4,589, 300,000, but this is actually legal content, so I wouldn't really do that. Be a bit careful when it comes to that, because again, legal content, there's a lot of things that you could probably be doing wrong. So then down below, 8,500, 3,900, 1,050, 400,000 words from Chinese to French, and a lot more jobs. So these are the jobs then that you can accept, that you can apply for. And let's, for instance, say you want to start with this message job right here, then you just click on it, you learn more about this, you look for the specifics of this job, and then you apply to this job. Now, of course, when you then have someone on Fiverr who will do the work for you, you can make a lot of money. Let's, for instance, say you charge for this kind of job, let's say 5 cents per word, then you can look for translators on here. So let's, for instance, say Mandarin translation, and let's see whether we can find someone who charges less than 5 cents. So this person, for instance, charges for 20 words $5. That's a bit much. This one is actually already quite cheap, to 25 cents. Let's see if we can get a lower offer. Like, check these out and then learn whether any of these people will offer it for a lower amount of money, and probably you're gonna find someone who will do exactly that, and then you can give that work to that person and you can accept the job on here. You receive that money from the company on ProZ, so basically the company that you're doing the work for, then you give it to someone on Fiverr and you're generating a profit from that. So that's a very simple way to make money with translations. There are of course lots and lots of other platforms that you could use, but just to show you how I would do this, this was, I think, a good example. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope we can see each other in the next video.